Okay, we got the LaBuBu package in. Looks like no damage. Yay!
Big into energy.
Yeah.
Someone said something about a LaBuBu, so someone's gonna have to get one.
LaBuBu. Oh, we got the StockX thing. There's the seal for the StockX.
Blue. Blue? Nana? Yeah. That's hope. Huh? Hope.
Hope.
Yeah, hope is blue.
Wait. All right.
Oh, wait. And I'll be helping too unboxing.
Hold up. What's up? Stop.
All day.
All day.
2, 1, 3.
Okay, we have a sealed box.
Mine. Big into energy. Mine.
Yours. All right.
Everyone gets hope or love.
Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. We have the thing on the QR code.
It's not fainted, so it's
Yeah,
real.
so it looks real.
It might be.
Let's
Who
see if
knows?
it pops right. Oh, it popped right. Let's see what you got.
Let's see. Ooh, I'm so excited. The package.
Yay. Yay.
Can I open it?
Go over there by the camera.
Who's it?
Love.
Love.
Yeah, I would love. Open it over there by the camera.
No,
Let him do it. Here, Bubba. There, you open it.
Yeah, you got love.
Yay.
Show it
Yay.
over there in the camera.
All right.
Show it. There you go.
Right there.
Good job.
Yay. Okay.
Can I unbox
Okay, you're
it?
done.
Yeah, you can unbox one. You get your bag. You gotta get your bag.
I'll pick this one. The bottom left.
All right.
I'll pick this one.
Yeah, you go ahead and pop it. They call it a pop.
Yay, you have your box.
Papa's looking for the gray one.
Whoops, I
Mystery. One by one.
Wow. Which one did I get? Blue. Happiness. I got
All right.
happiness. Woo.
Loyalty.
Loyalty.
Yay. All right, put the bag in there. Here, put the bag in there. All right, Max.
Okay.
Sit there.
Yay, you have a friend. Pop. Let's see. Which one did you get? It's like Serenity. Yeah, Serenity. Good try.
All right, Mama, you grab one.
You got one, Mama. Yeah. Big. Papa, my friend. Ta-da.
Yeah, put them.
Big.
Mine.
Big.
Oh, I picked this one. Stevie picked this one. What else Stevie do the last one?
Oops.
Wait, Stevie.
That means Trinity.
I got loyalty and love.
Oh,
Yay, new friends.
just have to break them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you take that out.
I got Max the blue one.
That's the one you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Here's the one you wanted.
That's the one that Max wanted. It's
Yay,
Hope.
exchange. Here, Mommy Serenity, you're green.
Let's show them to the thing.
How
Yeah.
that's Hope. And the other one is Serenity.
Put the box. Put the bag in the box.
Wait. We got all
Oh.
of them but some more. What is left? Don't know.
There's 2 more left.
2 more.
All right.
Lucky
Hold
and
up.
Serenity.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Which one's Papa's?
Which yours again?
Yeah.
Which one did you get, Papa?
I don't know.
Which one? Mommy. Happiness.
Is that happiness?
Yeah, that happiness. It's always happy.
Happiness.
Papa got happiness.
Inside. That's Whoopi.
Oh.
I got
Happiness.
2.
Oh, orange.
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 Yay. You done line them all up.
Yay.
Hold up.
Okay, open the next one.
You need to line them all up. Here, line them all up.
These 2 are mine. These are mine.
All right.
Okay,
One
1, 2,
should be
3,
luck. Yeah, here you go.
7. We got 7. 2,
Last
4,
Yeah, the
6.
last one.
Got 6. Come on.
Pull it out.
Which one is it? Might be luck. It might be the secret. Who knows?
Yeah.
Luck. That's mine. We got luck again. No, mine.
Oh. Okay, there you go, Bubba.
No secret.
No secret. Yeah, no secret.
No secret.
Yeah. That's yours? Oh, wow.
We got 2 lucks.
2 lucks. Yeah, so that's what we got.
That's what we got for our LaBuBus.
Yeah.
Where's your other lucky?
My lucky's
It's
right
down
beside
there.
loyalty. It's right beside loyalty.
That's it. That's all of them.